And we have liftoff, germination, onions 2025, day 6. These onion seedlings have been covered with humidity domes and sitting in the dark on a heat mat for 6 days. And now we have germination. I've got a little germination in all the flats, but this middle one, Scout Onion, is ahead of the game. In the past 6 days, these seedlings have been misted twice and they've been covered with those humidity domes. Now that we have some germination, I'm going to take the dome off one tray and it's time to turn on the light. I'm going to recover these two. Cabernet and Sierra Blanca. Since we have a lot of germination on Scout Onion here, we're going to leave them uncovered and under the light. Let's get that light on. We're not going to use that fan yet. We'll wait till the seedlings get a little bigger. Lights, camera, action. It's important to get the light on those seedlings as soon as they break the surface. Here's the simple mechanical timer I use for my grow light. I have it set for 14 hours of light right now. That'll do it for this video. Just a short update on the onion seedlings. You can check out planting the seeds in this in-stream video, and I'll make more updates as time goes on. Hope to see you next time at the Windmill Garden.